and welcome to the Beginner's Guide to AI Chapter 2. As noted in Chapter 1, you will find all the chapter descriptions for this series in the description below. We will delve into how AI systems, especially those using machine learning, actually learn. There are a few fundamental concepts, data algorithms, and the AI models that result from their interaction. These are the essential building blocks. Data is the absolute cornerstone of most modern AI systems. You can think of it as the food or the fuel that AI needs to learn and grow. AI systems, particularly those using machine learning, learn and improve by being exposed to vast amounts of data. This data can come in many forms, like numbers, texts, images, or audio. The learning process is similar to how humans learn. A child learns to identify a dog by seeing many different examples of dogs. Similarly, AI systems learn by processing numerous data examples. For instance, to teach an AI to recognize cats, it would be fed millions of images, allowing it to discern the patterns that define a cat. You'll often hear the term big data associated with AI. This refers to the extremely large and complex datasets used to train AI systems, which allow AI to uncover subtle patterns that the humans might miss. The quality and nature of this input data are profoundly important. If the data fed into an AI system is flawed, biased, or incomplete, the resulting AI model would likely reflect these shortcomings. This principle is often summarized as garbage in, garbage out, and it is magnified in AI. Careful data collection and preparation are paramount for creating AI models that are effective, fair, and reliable. If data is the food for AI, then algorithms are the recipes or the step by step instructions that guide how the AI processes that data and learns from it. An algorithm is essentially a well defined sequence of operations or a set of rules that a computer follows to perform a specific task. A common analogy is a cooking recipe. A recipe lists ingredients, which is the data, and provides instructions, the algorithm, on how to combine them to achieve a desired outcome, like baking cookies. Another analogy is the set of steps you follow to sort a deck of playing cards. In AI, algorithms are the computational procedures that enable the systems to analyze data, identify patterns, learn from those patterns, and then make decisions or predictions. While the recipe analogy is good for understanding fixed instructions, algorithms in machine learning are often more dynamic. Many ML algorithms are designed not just to follow a static recipe, but to learn and adapt based on the data they process. So the recipe can refine itself over time. This dynamic nature, where computers can essentially program themselves through experience, is a core strength of modern AI. After an AI algorithm has been fed with data and has gone through a training process, the result is an AI model. You can think of this model as the trained brain or the learned skill that emerges from the learning process. It encapsulates the patterns, knowledge, and the relationships that the algorithm has discovered in the data. Once trained, this AI model can then be used to make predictions, classifications, or decisions on new, unseen data that it was not explicitly programmed or trained on. Consider the analogy of a new barista learning to make coffee. The barista, which is the algorithm, learns by making many cups, which is training with data and getting feedback. Over time, the barista becomes skilled, the trained model, and can confidently make a great cup of coffee for a new customer. Similarly, a student, an AI system, learns from textbooks, data, and algorithms to acquire knowledge, the model, which can then be applied to solve new problems. The AI model, therefore, is a tangible output of the AI learning process. It is the operational component that actually performs the intelligent task that it was designed for. This marks the end of Chapter 2. As noted earlier, you will find all the chapter descriptions for this series in the description below. Thank you for watching the AI with Arun show and continue learning.